What's up, internet? It's Zach again, back here giving you guys another shop update. So first of all, I know what you're thinking, like, wow, that is such a cool shirt. How do I get one of these shirts? The bad news is you can't. These shirts are for our customers only. So for those that don't know, we do have a private Facebook group just for our customers to ask us questions and share photos, and all of our whole fab team, everyone that works here is all within this group. So we can talk and joke around and all that stuff like that. So in order to get one of those, you got to be in the group. You got to buy a wheel lift from us. So yeah, but other than that, I want to take you guys in the shop. We got a lot of stuff going on with the lifts that we have inside of there. I know Anthony's truck's in here, so we'll give you guys a little update on what's going on with his truck. Rob, I think, is building up some heads right now. And we're gonna go over some of the tech specs of the lifts with Tom. So let's go ahead in there and see what we got going on. All right, Tom, what are you doing over here?
Cleaning up these flipper arm pieces, getting them ready to test fit on Big Chief, and then once we get them all squared away and they fit right, fit perfect, get them over to Big Chief.
Okay, so
finish this side.
And then this goes this way, like that.
Right.
Yep. And that guy flips out, and that's where the wheel goes with the big bar here. Yep.
Yep, you're right.
Cool. All right. Well, I'll let you finish cleaning that one up. I know you still got a little bit of work left on that guy. Do that, and yeah, fit him up. Get the paint.
All right.
All right, bro. Have fun.
What's going on, Zach?
Robbity Rob, what do you got going on here?
Oh, putting together another Big Chief head.
Right on. So this is got tack bars on it. Obviously, it's nowhere near done yet. Well, kind of near done yet, I guess. And then that's a flipper arm. He's test fitting on here to make sure that it can, you know, turn and spin and do all this stuff. So what do you got left on this guy?
Basically, wait till this cools down because it's still really hot. I just got done welding it. And then start cleaning up our head plates, put our wing plates on, weld our pins in, and then start making our flipper arms for our wheel bars.
Right on. I know Sean's working on some flipper arms now. We just talked to him, so I believe those are going to come over to here.
Yep, then we're coming straight over here.
Yep. Okay, cool. Well, awesome. I know we got a lot of work to do. We'll let you get back to this. So I'm going to go talk to Tom and see what he's got going on.
Alrighty.
All right. See you, bud.
See you.
Yo, yo, yo. What up? What up?
What's up, Zach? It's your boy, slightly above average Tom.
Slightly above average. That's how we do here. Only higher than the best. All right, Tom. What are you doing?
Right now, this is Big Chief, lower set of tubes.
Okay.
I'm getting them cleaned up and sliding, as you can tell.
Dang, dude. Look at all that reach. Did you make all that reach?
Try. She be busting.
You. So you pulled this out?
Yeah.
All the way. Dude, that's probably like the first time you pulled out in years.
Years.
Hey, if Tom's wife is watching, I'm sorry. That was, this dude got like 45 kids though, for real.
She know you ain't lying.
All right, so talk to me about this. So like, what is this guy here for?
This is where the main cylinder hooks onto for the up and down underneath the truck.
Okay. And then, how thick do we make the? How thick is this steel?
This tube?
Yeah. Quarter-inch steel all the way down.
Yes.
The whole setup. And then we put bronze oilite bushing in here.
Yes, sir.
So basically what happens is that has oil inside of it, and as it heats up and it gets used, the oil kind of, I guess, like leaks out sort of onto and keeps everything lubricated inside.
It gets moist.
It's moist, real moist boy.
Real moist.
So the bronze bushing, or I'm sorry, yeah, the bronze bushing is real important. And then underneath here, we've got a class 3 hitch receiver, Reese hitch receiver. So that way, whenever you hook up your lift, you can still tow a trailer or anything like that, right?
You know why we got this?
Why's that?
Because we can.
That's fair. Hey, I like that. Yeah, because that's how we do out here. So you got that with your chain hookups and
We
all
also
that stuff.
do anything custom for the customer that they want. If we can make your dream possible, we're gonna do it. You just tell us.
Absolutely.
We made some weird stuff.
I almost dropped the camera right there. So, yeah, so this guy seems to be sliding real good. I just watched him pull it out. So it's got a little bit of work to do. Obviously the steel needs cleaned up. We gotta get all the mill scale and all that stuff off of it because we don't want to send it out looking like this. That's yucky, right? It's gotta be kind of shiny.
It'll be looking like this
that's
when
all.
she's done.
Yeah, it should be real nice.
When she goes to powder coat.
Kill it, kill it. So yeah, so a little bit of cleanup work left on that guy. And all right, well, I'm gonna let you finish this up. I know we got a lot of work to do. We just had another guy. We had a dude text us today and said, he sent me a message right before I came out and started shooting this. Said he just test drove 2 more trucks yesterday to get a lift on. That's his truck right there. It doesn't even have his first lift on it. He doesn't even have his first lift yet. He's already talking about getting 2 more. So yeah, so I'm gonna go check in with his truck real fast, do an update for special for him, Anthony, that's for you. So I'm gonna let you get back to work, bro.
All right, buddy. Thank you.
So I'm here, this is Anthony's truck. Anthony just picked this up. He got it at the dealership, brought it straight to us. We got a, excuse me, a 350 Super Duty. So he is getting a big chief put on it right now. As of right now, we've got the frame installed. We've got the tubes installed. We put the cylinder in. I don't know if you can see it. We come around this way. So we got the cylinder in yesterday. Today, we're waiting on another cylinder for our for the head, and then this should be good to go. So the guys really grounded out this week. There's a little bit of problems with some disassembly, getting the bumper off and stuff like that, but no, they really put in the work. They really got it done. I know I've been talking to Anthony. He's really excited. We're excited to get him a big chief. So yeah, it's almost ready to go. So yeah, that's it for us today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a like on the video, comment down below, all that fun stuff that you always hear all those YouTubers say, but it really does help us out whenever you guys like and comment and subscribe and stuff like that. It really helps us out. So we appreciate you guys watching. You guys enjoy the rest of your day.